All right, here we come to the elevator at 46 West 46th Street in New York City. This is not one, but two vintage Serge elevators. I'm gonna go to 4, because 5 is locked. So glad I finally got an amazing take on the other Serge elevator, as I promised to you guys. Sadly, the American elevator on 30-something West 46th Street is broken. I realize that there's a basement. No floor indicator. These are two Serge elevators I've ever ridden. I think OP is a symbol word for door open. What kind of fixtures are these? Appears to be single speed. I'm gonna close up the door and I want to hear the motor starting up. All right, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. I can't tell if this is single speed or variable. Anyways, I'm not gonna take for too many rides because I already got a good video of this thing last night, I meant. There's your phone. These fixtures. This is definitely worth checking out. One of the best finds in New York City. That'll be it.